Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the payments account on Google Play Store. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type play.google.com and then hit the enter button. That will take you to this page. And of course, you would like to be logged in already into your account. But if you are not logged in into your account or you don't even have an account, you'll find at the top right corner an icon like this. For you it will be empty. Just click on it and you'll be able to sign in, which is login, or even create your account if you don't have it. Of course, you'll be able to do those two options with a Google account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account, and trust me, it will be much faster. So once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself here with this home page. And of course, as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to change our payment account on the Google Play Store. So of course, if you want to do that, simply just go and click at the top right corner, your icon here, just go and click on it. Then select payments and subscriptions. Of course, from here, if you are at another section, make sure you are on the payments method. Like if you are here or somewhere else, just go and click on the payments method or methods. And of course, from here, you will find the payments method or your card, maybe your number if you're paying with it, whatever you are paying with it, you'll find this here. Of course, you'll find an option edit at the bottom right of the payments method, whatever payment method you have, you'll find the edit button. So of course, just go and click on it and make your updates. And of course, when you finish, you'll find an option updates. Just go another update, just go and click on it and you will be actually good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.